Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can tell which file type are eating your storage. So are you ready? Let's get started. So if you go for example to your PC here and you see the different hard drive that you have. So some are quite empty, some are full as you can see here with the red color, but you cannot actually tell which file types are eating your storage. In the previous version of Windows you cannot know that. If you want to know that, you have to install a third-party software, but in Windows 10 you can actually see which file types are eating your hard drive. So in order to know that, it's really easy. All you have to do is to go to your start menu here, and in the search box you just type storage. Okay, so the first actually match, as you see here in system settings, is storage. So you click on it. So then you have all your hard drives and partitions listed here. So actually, if you want to know which file type are eating your storage, for example here in my N drive, all I have to do is just to click on this partition here, and here we go. Now you can see that actually I have a lot of videos in this partition. So here I have almost 112 gigabytes of videos. So I have here some other file and have here some 9.63 gigabytes and some pictures also. So here I have a clear view of what file types are actually eating my hard drive. So I can do the same for other partitions, for example for my C partition, which is actually my Windows partition. So it's always showing me how many documents, how many temporary files. So here I have almost no pictures. So this is actually a great features in Windows 10 that can help you to diagnose or see what file types are eating your storage. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.